Everybody, today I will show you how to fix sound problem on Strikeforce. Just follow and watch this video till the end. So guys, you have to go and open your settings of your mobile phone. Click right now on your apps option and search for Strikeforce and click. So now scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache here. So right now back, click add force stop and click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store and update Strikeforce. Restart here now your device and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next video.